to register. Keep your eye on the screens, enjoy the refreshments, lunch will be served at 12 p.m. Here today we've got the Managing Director of Sime Darby Motors here, Mr. Andrew Basham is with us, everyone. Joining him, the Managing Director of Sime Darby Motors, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong and Macau, Mr. Jeffrey Khan, welcome. He's going to be taking center stage in just a bit. The Managing Director of Sime Darby Auto ConneXion-Ford, Mr. Turse Zuhair, is also with us, everyone. And last but not least, the Sales Zone Manager of Ford Asia Pacific Distributors Markets, Mr. Navin Gulati is here, everyone.
Friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the launch of the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor 2-liter bi-turbo diesel. Following the successful launch of the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor V6 last year, the response from the market was overwhelmingly positive. Today, we are thrilled to be adding another engine option to the lineup. It is what many customers, Raptor fans, and off-road enthusiasts in Malaysia have been asking for, and we are more than happy to oblige. As with its V6 counterpart, the 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engineering enhancement, tougher hardware, and smarter technologies powered by a proven powertrain that customers know and love. For those who strive to pushing the limits, it delivers even more impressive capabilities, ride and handling. It comes with same tough and bold exterior and interior that have attracted speed lovers since we debuted the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor. Customers will also enjoy a special 500 ringgit discount on one of our Ford Ranger getaways. We have also created a special test drive route where people can experience driving across different surfaces while still within this launch menu.
As we are about to unveil the world's best pickup truck, it looks like our senior management are ready right now. We've got the race queen just aligning the race flags just to make sure we're all in the process. So feel free to get your cameras and phones out, which I'm sure many of you do. Senior management, are we ready? Esteemed members of the media, are we ready? This is it! No longer wait. I'd like to ask everyone now to turn their attention to the big screen, as in the lights above the screen right now as we begin the countdown, and away we go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor 2.0L bi-turbo diesel. Diesel here, unleashing for your eye now to take your seats again as we begin today's product presentation. Give it a round of applause, everyone, yes! Esteemed members of the media, I'd like to now officially invite you to take your seats as we begin today's product test drive, the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor. I'd like to invite everyone now to turn their attention to the big screen because this is the reason why this is the world's best pickup truck.
What does it take to be the world's best pickup truck?
You, of course, to test drive the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor today, but before you do, it's very known, of course, to have completed the Baja 1000, one of the toughest endurance races in the world. Ranger Raptor 2.0L bi-turbo diesel is 248,888 ringgit. Feel free to give it a round of applause, everyone. Right in the ambience and environment now to take your content. So